My name is Kira O'Connell,
My name is Mike Giroux.
and this is OmniLux. The problem we are addressing is street lamp reliability. When bulbs go out, they often don't get reported and they don't get replaced or fixed, and that creates dark areas for people, and we want to fix that.
So the idea behind it is we have lamp one, which is the normal lamp that you'd see in like your everyday area. When this goes out, it sends a signal to the relay that gives us this backup one. And I can give you a quick tour of the various components we have going on here. So again, we have lamp one, lamp two. This is our split core current transformer. All it does is it measures the current going through this wire here to the main lamp. This is our breadboard. It just makes sure that the signal is actually able to be read by our Arduino Nano, which has an IoT support, so we can actually look at the status of both bulbs online. This is our 3-volt relay. The Arduino sends a 3-volt signal to this relay, which turns the switch on, allowing the current to pass through into this bulb. So we have that backup one ready. And as you saw, we have our display, which you can view from anywhere online. It shows the status of both bulbs along with a message stating the status of the main one. So our quick demo is we have our main one again. When this goes out, it sends a signal to that one, and turning this bulb on, and you can see it on the display as well.
So that it gets replaced quickly.
And then if you get a new one, this main one turns back on, and again, the status is updated, and you have a new message saying that lamp one is operational again.